everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel after a really long time. If you are new here, this is Yona Fernandez and hope you all are doing well, enjoying the monsoon. I am doing well, kinda doing well, and this long break that I took has made me super energetic. It was definitely a much needed break. So I mean, everyone definitely at a point or something you feel so tired of doing something, being so spontaneous that you need to pause and restart, and that's what I did. Even I'll be advising you guys the same. Let it be in any aspect of life, whether your job or your studies or anything. Don't
Or sleep.
or sleep, anything. Yeah, it's important to value yourself, give the time to your body, allow your body to take some rest. But I also did realize that I was so occupied these days by shooting videos, editing videos, that eventually I didn't have anything to do. My schedule was like wake up, then do some tiny chores, then have food, and then sleep. So that was my schedule. But now I think I am ready to start with the hustle again. And also I realized it gave me a time to analyze my content, so maybe to improve or do something in a better way. And here I am. So let's begin with this vlog. Silence आगत तुझा बाज.
परफ्यूम आणि उजळीचे लाईट आहे परफ्यूम.
Not that beautiful. Just like me. Yam pade. This is very pretty.
अंग पडे मा.
A very good color.
मा.
Kale. Mando gada adata. Why are you disturbing, brother? Osma. चलो बितर काम करो.
दादा. आज दादा.
Look on this side. Come this side. You look good. Ah, nice. Kale, why you removing that?
असले पुरला काढले.
काल पुरला काढचे
ते काय आहे बी काही नाही ते लीव्स काय ना.
तिचे प्लांट्स कथा काय.
तुझी गांड तुला काय बायो शिकन काय एनाटॉमी स्पायडर्स
That is what she has to say, not me.
अच्छा देशो
स्पायडर काले व्हेजिटेरियन कोणे म्हणले तुका स्पायडर
मी
व्हेजिटेरियन
काढले का लागते
स्पायडर व्हेजिटेरियन कोणे सांगले तुका
होय, तुवें
ते
सांगले.
इन्सेक्ट कथा गुत्ताय तुका
ओय
मागीर
आणि सांगचे तू स्पायडर व्हेजिटेरियन
कोणे म्हणले
I didn't say. Oi.
सांगतो ना असं समा असं
Yeah, we'll listen. It was you who said the
आवे
spider.
सांगले तू का तुवे सांगले
No,
ते मम्मा
no,
सांगचे
no.
म्हणून
Mama, you listen to it before you start
आवे सांगले
arguing.
तू का तुवे सांगले ते मम्मा सांगते
No.
ते कट कान करून का ते
How cut karna. I am back from Mars, guys, and I've come straight to the kitchen because today I know it's my dad's preparation for the lunch, and I think he's doing meat kale biryani.
You different type. There
But-
is no recipe.
But you said you're doing biryani.
Not biryani. This is different.
Dude, so not fair. I thought you're doing biryani. No biryani. Anyway, it's my stop that.
This
It's
meat
my
and ghee rice.
oh ghee rice and meat. Definitely the Sunday preparation is my dad's, which is going to be always as good as the chef's kiss. So, but I do have a lot of things piled up for today. I will tell you guys what they are. So guys, first things first, I have a lot of laundry to do because I don't know, it's somewhere I'm feeling so irritated looking at the clothes just lying there. So I thought even though it's Sunday, it's fine. I am going to wash all my clothes, clean it, and also it's time that I get back to college. So there's a lot of shopping stuff. Like kurti is the dress code that I have, and I had been to Jaya Lakshmi yesterday. Kurtis, I got them online because I was not really sure if I could go and find in store. But I went to Jaya Lakshmi for some other purpose. I didn't vlog. You all know I was on a break. But I got these pants for kurtis, that is in black and white. Very good pants, cotton pants. The thing is, I can also wear leggings, but I chose not to wear leggings because one thing is I don't feel really comfortable, and then again you wear the panty and that panty line. I mean, rare occasion 1 or 2 days it's fine, but all the days I don't really feel comfortable. I know there are those seamless panties available, but again, it's not a thing of comfort for me. So choose comfort over anything. I got these for like 700 and I didn't hesitate to invest in such good pants because I will be using them on a regular basis, like all the days of the week, and I couldn't compromise on the quality. And there was another pant as well, like these cotton pants, which was for like around 250, but again the material, I was not so sure about the material, and secondly it was like not of my fit. I mean, the length was really short, so I went with these. And I got these white palazzo pants that you can see here. These palazzo pants, I got it for like 200, and there were one more palazzo for like chikankari work, but unfortunately it was not available in white. I mean, it was out of stock, so I will be going next week. That time probably I'll be vlogging because I am back to vlogging, right? So I will be going to get some, you know, kurtis, and then that chicken curry, which was really beautiful. It was an cream, but then I didn't want cream, I wanted white. So again, now I'll have to wash these as well and shoot a reel. But the reel thing, I think I will take some time, and until then see. And one more thing is my bag. Wait a second. This is my bag here. I don't remember exactly when I got it, probably in my PU days, and I am someone who maintains my things very well than my brothers, because it's like I treat my stuff so well that it can last long for so many, how many years, I am not really sure. But if it goes in my brother's hand and it is completely destroyed, I think the same thing happened with this bag. I used it for my PU, I used it for my degree, and because I was not going to college for a year, my brother used it, like, and he's literally made it so bad. But never mind, I'm going to wash this and make it super clean and beautiful for the time when I'm back to college. So these are the stuffs that I've piled up, and I'm planning to finish this off before noon, so that afternoon, you know, I will have the time to shoot some of the reels or the concept ideas that I've got in mind. So let's get going.
3 hours later.
It is lunchtime now. I was sitting and editing. Upstairs and downstairs people were watching TV. It was very peaceful and calm.
Watching Big Boss.
Yeah, watching Big Boss to be precise. But I was upstairs with the calm atmosphere, editing and all of that. And now it is lunchtime with the ghee roast. Okay, no, it's the ghee rice and meat, something that is prepared by my dad, his own recipe and his own dish. Enjoying my delicious Sunday lunch now, and after having this heavy meal, definitely going to sleep, and then probably we are going for an outing in the evening. If not anywhere, it's going to be Forum Mall as usual, but I will see where other new places we can visit today. Till then, I will be enjoying this heavy meal and then taking this, what is that, sleep? No, nap. I was like taking a snap, but it is afternoon nap, guys. Bye-bye.
Later that same evening.
I took 2 hours of my Sunday noon nap, guys, and then you all know, morning I was like, I have to wash a lot of clothes. I did all of that now. Within somewhat 45 minutes I took. Actually, we were supposed to leave, but then because of me, we are late. So you can see that Chris is all ready. Where to go? No idea, and it's time for me to get ready now. Just wearing the same clothes that I wore in the morning. Simple and decent enough. So I will quickly get ready and meet you. I am ready, you guys. Pretty, and this is my mom over here. I hope you're getting captured.
What are you introducing?
No, because you're ready. What is new, mom? There's nothing. You are here. My brother is here with his full sleeve sweater or hoodie. I don't know. It's actually hot, even though it's monsoon, and I really have no idea as to why he's dressing up like that. and dad is here as usual. My same dad, not my dad. It sounds so dumb. Dada kai mein che? So guys, Chris actually wanted to buy what is that, Skins, no?
What with skills?
Skims.
Sleeves.
It's called Skins also. Slaves, what? For playing volleyball. So I don't know, wherever the car goes, there we will be going. No idea where it is. Oh, anyway, Mama, this is like the last but one Sunday. Then I'll be back to college. I'm very much
I'm so
excited.
happy.
Wow, how excited.
नाज़िलर कितने खुशी मुला रापड़ा ये पटी दौड़े हम
But Cyrus will be home, no?
हाँ तब एक कॉलेज अगस्त 5th था
Are you sure August 5th? So basically, my orientation is on August 5th, and we just got to know that even my brother's orientation is on August 5th. What a coincidence, guys. What a coincidence. So now we go wherever the driver, my dad, the car. Guess where we are. We are back at our regular place to do some window shopping and roam all the floors and some rest, and then end up eating fries and popcorn and softie. Isn't it? Isn't it? It is less crowded today. Why do I feel so? Less crowded as compared to. There is enough space. Couldn't say match. There is Olympics.
नहीं ओलंपिक्स है साहब प्लस आज हाउस में है आज हाउस में तो पूरा बीच आ गया शेष
Yeah, because today it didn't rain. So maybe probably people have gone to some other places to roam. If not, when it is to rain, the entire place was completely crowded. Kal re.
घर जाएगी
Kal hai.
साइलेंट आ दो ना
What? Photo. Why do you want?
साउंड आएगा
Kal hai.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
Dada's head is shining. Getting highlighted.
गाड़ी शाइन विद
Dada's head is shining just as my dada.
नीचे शाइनिंग हेड शाइनिंग एवरीथिंग शाइनिंग
I won't talk more. Kale, what are you looking at? Okay. Bro, why do you want XL? Brother,
तुम पड़े रहे
brother. Oi, oversized
Yeah,
M.
that is-
फुल स्लीव्स कान देता है
शर्ट बड़ा स्लीव फुल स्लीव करना बड़ा
वो सुबीता
खला 40 कितने
40 तले खान गया
42 स्लीव
42. So we just entered Max because there was some sale going on, and like the pieces are good for 50% off. Collection is also good. Like the shirt colors are pretty much bright and vibrant, like the ones that I got. So my dad is checking out some, and my brother is also checking out some Marvel T-shirt. I have no clue about it. What's the reaction? Cyrus, get out. Where are you entering in the gents?
जंगली
That is oversized.
अरे तुझे सही से
Mama, कहीं बेहतर रहता है जेंट्स ट्रायल रूम.
तुझे सही से ना
That is oversized, Cyrus. Oversized
एक्सेल
XL.
ते मका जाता
Maka is that. The collection in the kids section, guys, it is so good. Like I'm literally having the baby fever, and yeah, the kids collection, dude, it's so good. The onesies, the dresses, but unfortunately we don't have anyone even to gift to, and the sale ends today, and I think we are somewhere fortunate enough to just spontaneously spot the sale that we had and just enter the store, whereas my dad just said that he kept on receiving messages about the sale but he never informed. So Cyrus is trying out few of the stuff. I'm not really going to try because I'm not really interested. The lights are off. The lights are off and we are still in this store. But today it was not the girls who took time, it was the boys who took time, from my dad to my youngest sibling, all of them. Both the boys were playing. Even when we told them go and search for what you want, at the last moment they went and searched. I think it's almost 9:30 now, and We have switched off the lights. Yeah, it's 9:37 if you can see. And I don't think Chris will get his popcorn or anything now because it's already late. We have to go to my granny's house. Mama is also tired. Her back is aching. It's all because of the boys. How are you feeling, Mama, after shopping for boys only and nothing for girls? What do you think? Girls are better shoppers or boys?
ना तुमका आमचे पाय दुखतात आता.
No, no.
The same
but
thing.
but tell me. Nee, boys are good shoppers or boys are better. So my mom doesn't even have the strength to talk to me. That's how bad her back is aching. क्या बे? तूने इतना लेट किया था? I am a very good girl. I didn't shop anything today. Only a lip balm. Lip balm was required for nourishing my lips. So, brother. Yeah, Dada, yeah. Out from the store. Now it's time to have ice cream. Dada won't have ice cream because Dada has lost what is that? Throat infection because of cold. So, it's only 4 of us. Softy ki hang your ice cream. Softy, okay, fine. I'm ending the vlog here, guys. If you did like this vlog, then make sure you like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. After having the ice cream, you are going to a granny's house, having dinner and sleeping, and that's it for today's vlog. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Good night.